The first part of this question, where they say color the given fraction, it's not really difficult. If we look at the very first one, they're giving you a fraction there of a third, which means 1 over 3. You can see that the 3 at the bottom, the denominator, corresponds to the number of blocks or the number of portions of that circle. So they've divided the circle for you in a certain number of blocks, and that corresponds with the number below the denominator. Then when you color it, you just simply look at the number above the line. That's it. You look at the number above the line, pick one of those three, and you just color it in. But now the second part of the question refers to the equivalent fraction in the other figure. And you can do exactly the same. You can look at that as 3 over 9. You can count that there are exactly 9 parts to that circle. But in terms of equivalent fractions, you need to see that they are going to be exactly the same. So it's going to be good if we look at the second figure as a similarity of the first figure. So coloring in 3 of the 9, we can do it that way. We can say, let's color those 3. You can color any 3. If you look very carefully, you'll notice that part of the first circle is exactly the same size as that same part of the second circle, even though we've got 3 portions colored in the second circle. And that is what it means when we talk about equivalent fraction. You're writing the fraction with different numbers altogether. The first one was 1 out of 3. The second one is 3 out of 9. Different numbers in the numerator, different numbers in the denominator, but ultimately they come down to the same thing.